Starbucks. Hello, hello. What happened with my Twitch panel? What happened with my Twitch panel? What's wrong? I do find that interesting, Skylar. Well, I'll take a look at the analytics after it's done. I think it's just gonna end up being personal preference. Am I right? Channel. Oh, yeah, that's weird that that's going to that. You're right. Why is that not linking to my actual website? That's weird. Edit about and links. Featured content? Is that where that is? No. Schedule? No. Brand? No. Where do I edit my banners? There was a weird way of getting to there. That's why I was like, don't tell me something's wrong with that. I'm gonna have to fix it. Dang it. I don't remember how to go to edit my panel. Channel... No, it's not under any of these things. Okay. Thanks, Twitch. You're so confusing. Yeah, when you click on the thing in my panels for website, it takes you to my Twitch. Should be taking you to my website. I apologize for that. I need to figure out how to get to that page where I can edit those panels. Because it's just not showing up for me. Thank you for letting me know, though. Alright, we found another one that's garbage. Get out of here. Thank you for the roses. Thank you, thank you. You know what's funny about this outfit? So, at MusicCon, I spotted this little number. And my face was literally like, oh, I need it. Thank you for the gifts. Oh, and thank you for the Reading Rainbow theme. And it's still messed up. We don't know what's going on. Get anywhere. So I saw this little number and I immediately was like, give it to me now. Whatever, I pay for it. And the seller, she's like, oh, if you post it, you know, on Instagram, please tag us. And I was like, yeah, I'm actually gonna wear it on my stream this week. You know, I live stream on TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube. So I was like, let me give you one of my cards so you can keep an eye out. And I gave her my card and she looks at me, she's like, I follow you on Instagram. And I was like, oh, perfect. So you know where to find me. It was very sweet. So shout out to Minty Magic Store. That's where I got the little outfit. The little outfit. I don't know if they stopped by at all today. Ooh, thank you for the gift. I love the gifts that I can wear, guys. I'm a sucker for it. Grow, dumpling, grow! You got your Attack on Titan Godzilla mirror and it looks so great. Yay! Your husband actually liked it, so he wants to do a phone case, but doesn't want it to be girly. So it looks like you're going to have to do it for him, but it'll be your first time trying. You're such an inspiration. Ah, yeah. I'm glad you're willing to give it a try. What's MizuCon? So it was a convention this weekend. I cosplayed as Nami from One Piece.